Again, Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Curt Y. Curt, this is the Trinity console that you send in for RGH service. We actually did a Ace V4 installation on this console. So the Ace V4 is very new to the market and is using the same method as the old Stone glitch chip did. We did the blue LEDs and pre-installed Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash. So here in just a moment, console will boot right up into Freestyle Dash by default right off of your USB. So there's the successful boot and the console powering up here. I went ahead and loaded everything up to the USB that you included, even though you sent along the hard drive, because I figured since you sent the USB, that must be where you intended for everything to get loaded to. So again, by default here, you'll see Freestyle Dash. Be sure to check out the send-in service, or excuse me, the final confirmation email that you get. That's going to have some various links to different playlists on YouTube that'll help train you on anything you would want to know how to learn how to do. So thanks for trusting us with your console. We'll get this thing packed up and it will head back out your way tomorrow. Thanks.